afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. What we happen to have here, what I always state, 408 Winder Stroker. These things are phenomenal. This thing just got done making over 500 some horsepower. Fantastic torque numbers. This one's got AFR heads on it, eagle rotating assembly. We build a bulletproof motor, and that's what I stress here. Custom built bulletproof engines. So when you get them home and get them in the car, they're going to run fantastic. You do your job. I know I've already done mine. Check us out if there's anything we can help you with. 1-800-267-3940. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Get out.